The correct Canva export settings for professional printing. If your Canva design looks perfect on screen but prints blurry, cropped, or with white edges, the problem is usually the export settings. I'll show you the exact settings printers expect. Printing requires a different file format than social media, and one wrong setting can ruin the final print. All you need to do is click share, then click on download. This is where most printing problems starts. For professional printing, always choose PDF print. So make sure you're selected PDF print. This keeps your design sharp and preserves the correct print quality. Now turn on crop marks and bleed. This tells the printer exactly where the page should be trimmed. Make sure your document size matches the final print size. If your design size is wrong, the printer may scale it and that can ruin the layout. Before sending your file to a printer, do one quick check. So go ahead and download first. And now once you have downloaded this, open it up and then do one quick check. Zoom in and make sure the edges extend to the bleed and your text stays inside the safe area. If your Canva design prints poorly, it's usually not the design, it's the export settings. Next video, I'll show you how professional designers set up margins and safe areas to prevent text getting cut off. Why text gets cut off when printing in Canva, safe margins explained. If your Canva design prints but some of the text get cut off near the edge, the problem is usually safe margins. I will show you exactly how to avoid that. Printers trim paper after printing, so anything placed too close to the edge can disappear. Step 1. Turn on margins. So go ahead and click File and then hover above Settings, and then where we have Show Margins, go ahead and tick this option. Now you should be able to see a margin appear on your design. This is the margin. These lines show the safe area where your important content should stay. Most people place text too close to the edge. That looks fine on screen, but during trimming, it can get cut. Move your text inside the margin line. This gives printers room to trim without touching your content. Here's the simple rule professional designers follow. Background extends to the bleed, but text stays inside the safe margins. If text gets cut off when printing, it's usually because it was placed outside of the safe margins. Use margins as your guide and your designs will print exactly as expected. Why Canva colors print wrong? If your Canva design looks bright on screen but prints dull or slightly different, the problem is usually RGB versus CMYK. Screens use RGB colors, but printers use CMYK ink, and those color systems don't always match. On screen, Canva shows colors using RGB, the same color system used by phones and monitor. That's why colors can look very vibrant while you're designing. But printers work differently. They use CMYK ink, that's cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, because inks mixes differently than light. Printed colors often appear slightly darker. So a bright neon blue on screen might appear as a deeper blue on paper. To reduce color surprises, avoid extremely bright neon colors in designs meant for prints. Choose slightly deeper tones. They tend to print closer to what you see on screen. When downloading your file, choose PDF print. So click on share, click on download, select PDF print. This keeps the highest print quality for professional printers. If your Canva colors print differently, it's usually not a mistake. It's the difference between RGB screens and CMYK printers. Next video, I'll show you the exact DPI settings that keep Canva prints sharp and professional. Why your Canva prints look blurry, DPI explained. If your Canva design looks sharp on screen but prints blurry or pixelated, the problem is usually DPI. I'll show you what that means and how to fix it. DPI controls how much detail is printed, and low DPI leads to blurry prints. DPI stands for dots per inch. It describes how much detail a printer puts onto the paper. The more dots per inch, the sharper the print. On screen, designs can look perfectly sharp even if the resolution is low, but printing reveals the real resolution. When downloading your design, choose PDF print. All you need to do is click on share, click on download, and then select in the file type PDF print. This keeps your design at the highest resolution for printing. One more thing, if you upload a low resolution image into Canva, it may still print blurry. Canva can't increase the original quality of an image, so use high resolution images and export using PDF prints. If your Canva prints look blurry, it usually comes down to resolution and DPI. In the next video, I'll show you how professional printers expect Canva files to be prepared before printing. How print shops want your Canva files. Avoid print problems. If you send a Canva design to a print shop and they ask for changes, it's usually because the file wasn't prepared correctly. I'll show you the exact way printers expect your Canva files. Printers need files with the correct size, bleed, margins, and export format. First, make sure your document size matches the final print size. If the size is wrong, the printer may scale the design and that can break the layout. Next, turn on the bleed. To do this, simply click on File and then click on Settings and then Show Print Bleed. Go ahead and click on this and then you can see the print bleed appear on your screen. Your background should extend all the way to the bleed line. So your background should actually make it all the way to the bleed line. Now keep all the important text inside the safe margins. So if your text are outside, make sure you keep them inside. That prevents the text from being trimmed when printing. Finally, export your file using PDF prints. So click on share, click on download, and then select PDF prints. Turn on crop marks and bleed so the printer knows exactly where to trim. When your file follows these rules, printers can produce your design exactly as intended. If you prepare your Canva files this way, most print shops won't need any changes, and your designs will print exactly the way they look on screen.